Hello children, how are you all doing? Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to another session. Children, today I am going to discuss about letter U, related jolly phonics, picture reading, activity, how to write letter U in lines, drawing and also few worksheets. But before starting the session, I would like you to get ready with practice book, pencil, eraser, water bottle and craft material. Children, let us begin our session with the phonic sound of letter U. U sounds A. I repeat, U sounds A. This is capital letter U or uppercase U. This is small letter u or lowercase u. Urn. Upstairs. Umbrella. Undershirt. Unhappy. Children, here are some pictures that begin with the name of the letter but not with the phonic sound of the letter. Let us see what those pictures are. U is for UFO. U is for uniform. U is for unicycle. U is for utensil. U is for unicorn. Children, here we are going to sing a small rhyme related to letter U. So, you all have to sing along with me. So, what is the action you know? You have to keep one hand steady and raise the other hand as if raising an umbrella and say a. Ready children? A, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. One more time. Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Well done children. Here we have a small task to finish. Let's see what it is. Here we have so many pictures, right? Yes. So here we have to find the pictures that begin with letter U. U sounds A. Let us read all the pictures now. A umbrella. Right. Here the picture begins with letter U. So circle it. This is jackal. No. This is goat. Gaga. No. This is fish. Wrong. This is unicycle. Right. Very good. Circle it. This is unicorn. Right. Circle it. Well done children. Children, here I have a very interesting activity for you all. You will really love to do it. Do you like unicorn? Even I like unicorn. So here we are going to make unicorn out of letter U. So isn't it interesting children? Right. Now let us start the activity. The materials required for this activity are blue color A4 sheet, cutout of letter U, glue, paper strips. Here I am having pink, purple, yellow and blue color strips, glue, bent edge rectangle shape for unicorn face and also yellow color paper triangle. So, let us start the activity children. First of all, place blue color A4 sheet on a plain surface. Now stick cutout of letter U on the blue color sheet. Here I am using glue to stick A4 sheet. Apply glue all over letter U. Right? And stick it on A4 sheet just like this. And we are going to stick face here. Children, so here I am going to use glue again to stick the face of unicorn. See, just like this, children. Now place the yellow triangle on top. Here again I am going to use glue to stick the unicorn's corn. Yes. See children, our unicorn is almost ready. So now I am going to take paper strips and stick all over the back of the head and also near tail. So children, I am going to use glue again and stick all these paper strips. And very interestingly, I am going to take paper strips using my index finger and thumb, and I am going to stick. See, just like this children. Isn't it looking beautiful? Now it's the tail part. We have to make tail colorfully. So I am going to stick the tail using colored sheet. See, just like this. And it is looking pretty. See children, our unicorn is almost ready. Now it's time for glitter. So I am going to make patches of glitter all around the unicorn. Okay. So just like this. Okay, see, I applied glue all over the unicorn. Now I am going to sprinkle glitter. We can use more glue for sticking more glitter. I want this to look really beautiful. Now just tap all the glitter down just like this, and look, our beautiful unicorn is ready. Isn't it interesting children? So I want you all to try this activity. Hope you all are ready with your slate and slate pencil. Here I am going to teach you how to make a simple drawing of an umbrella. So let us begin. For drawing an umbrella, we need a big downward curve. Join the ends of the downward curve using small downward curves. See, I am making 4 downward curves, and join the two ends of the downward curve, big downward curve. Now take the middle center of the downward curves and make two lines as umbrella stand. Here I am going to use an oval to join the two ends of the standing lines at the bottom. Now make a small circle on top of the downward curve. Right, just like this. And now I am going to decorate my umbrella using dots, circles. Isn't it beautiful, children? Very easy, right? Well done, children.
Children, here I have mentioned the pages related to letter U. On day 1, in class workbook, page number 84, you have to color letter U using fingerprints. And in class workbook, page number 85, you have to circle the pictures that begin with U sound or A sound. And in home workbook, page number 45, you have to circle the picture that begin with the letter U. Practice these worksheets. On day 2, in class workbook, page number 86, you have to circle letter U from the given poem. And in class workbook, page number 87, you have to color letter U using bitter gourd print. And in home workbook, page number 46, you have to draw or stick 5 pictures that begin with letter U. Practice these worksheets.
Children, this is for today's session. Hope you all enjoyed learning letter U. I'll meet you in my next session. Until then, bye bye.